Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing loose dirt from the frame and tracks so the cleaning solution works on grime, not grit. Mix 1 part vinegar to 10 parts water with a few drops of mild dish soap. This cuts grease and won't harm anodized aluminum. Dampen a microfiber cloth and start from the top rail, moving downward to avoid streaks. Use a soft brush for textured areas. Apply light pressure so you clean without scratching the finish. Once done, rinse with clean water to remove residue and prevent spotting. Now tackle the middle steps. Focus on tracks and frame channels where grime accumulates. Dip a soft bristled brush into your solution and scrub along the tracks. Use a plastic scraper or an old toothbrush to lift compacted debris from corners. You want to dislodge dirt without bending or scratching the aluminum. Then, wipe the frame faces with a damp microfiber, making sure to get into seams. Rinse everything with clean water to remove soap residue, and dry rails and weep holes so mechanisms slide freely and corrosion is minimized. Finish by polishing and checking operation so you leave the window both clean and functional. Dry polish the aluminum with a clean microfiber. If anodized finish looks dull, use a small amount of approved aluminum polish sparingly. Test first. Lubricate rollers, hinges, and locks with a silicone spray to ensure smooth movement, then wipe away any excess to avoid attracting dust. Finally, operate the window several times and inspect seals for damage. Troubleshooting tip: if the window sticks after cleaning, recheck tracks for hidden debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.